Hello, Oji! I am Marisa and we are in Santiago City, Isabela. Welcome to our vacation home, Skywoods. Lika, pasok tayo! Itong property na to is really very special to us. Kasi, as you see, hindi na kami ganun kabata. So deciding to construct this property on a very uncertain times after the COVID. So it's really a big risk for us, sabihin natin financially, kasi may edad na kami. But we believed in our vision. At we would like that families can experience yung relaxation na na-feel namin noon when we were just having a picnic on one corner of this property. So seeing families now that really enjoyed our property, it really made all our sacrifices well worth it. At nawala yung fear din namin na, kumbaga, tinaya din namin a part of our savings for this property. So now, happy kami. Siguro, more than the financial return, yung makita mo yung mga families, talagang nag-enjoy sila. And they come back. They come back again and again. Hello, I am Marisa Visconde Gonzalez, and I am a businesswoman. Our family is really from here. Dito pinanganak ang husband ko. Nandito rin lahat ng aming mga brothers and sisters. This land was awarded to us by the court after a long 20 years battle with a different parcel of land that was owned to us. And after 20 years, this was given to us as a settlement. At the beginning, it is really a thick forest with lots of overgrowth. And then the COVID happened. So lahat ng family noon, we are looking for a place na pwede tayong makapag-unwind nang hindi lalayo. So my family and our brothers and sisters' family, we decided to clear a small portion of the property. Doon kami nagpipiknik, doon kami nag-stay, ganon, without traveling too far away kasi restricted pa noon. And then from the small clearing, we decided to clear the whole property. And to our surprise, beneath the undergrowth, there is a really beautiful forest. So nilinis na namin yung property, and then we decided to construct the perimeter fence. Not to change the charm of the place, para lang maging secure pag nag-stay kami dito. Nung nalinis na namin tong property, tamang-tamang mga times na yan, after nang na-lift ang restrictions ng COVID, naging uso yung mga vacation home. So yun yung naisip namin na bakit hindi rin kaya tayo magpatayo dito? Total, ang ganda ng lugar. Una, what we did, manood sa nagfi-feature ng mga small houses at isa nga yung OG sa nakita namin. So sa mga search engine din, nagda-download kami ng pictures, nagsasave, at doon kami kumuha ng mga inspiration. At may nakita nga kami doon, isang particular na this facade. So from there, na-inspire na kami. So doon na namin inumpisa ng pag-conceptualize ng property. Alam mo itong property namin, marami ditong termites. So ang talagang ideal lang na i-construct namin dito is made of metals lang talaga. Hindi kami pwedeng gumamit ng mga wood. Talagang hindi tatagal. Kasi nung na-clear tong property, lumabas talaga yung mga, alam mo yung mga bahay ng anay. Marami talagang ganon. So, talagang from the beginning, it's really about metals. At saka sabi din ni husband, mas mabilis i-construct, mas practical, at saka talagang fan siya ng material na metal to make a metal building. Metal at saka yero. Wala talaga ditong wood components. But we neutralize the hardness of the metal para maging soft naman yung vibes with the wood-like tiles. So ang mga tiles natin is designed like a wood. Even our beds are painted like a wood to soften the vibe. Kasi nga, hindi lang namin ito gustong maging maganda sa ngayon, we wanted it to last talaga. Talagang ang nag-capture ng aming attention dito is the uniqueness of the build, 'di ba? Kasi usually dito concretes, ganyan. The lot size is about 2,400 square meters. The total floor area is about 150 square meters. Once you enter the property, ang unang mapapansin mo talaga is our mini forest. Talagang mapuno siya and there are canopy of trees talaga. I decided lagyan ng mga garden sets, mga upuan sa ila-ilalim. Kasi kahit nakatanghali ang tapat, the forest is really very relaxing. Cool ang breeze, talang you will really feel a connection with nature. We have a large parking area. So we can accommodate up to 10 cars. It is within the perimeter fence, so safe na safe ang mga cars. One of the most talked about feature ni Skywood is our red door. People are very intrigued. Saan ba pupunta when you open the red door? Talagang kinonstruct lang namin siya dyan na nakalutang na red door. Bakit siya red? Kasi red door signifies welcome. Plus, it will stand up with the lush greenery around it. So pag inopen mo yung door, masasagot yung tanong mo, where does it leads to? Well, it leads to the pathway going to the grand staircase of the vacation home. At lalabas sa'yo yung magandang facade ng aming vacation home. Bago tayo pumasok sa loob ng aming bahay, I want you to pay attention dito sa aming event hall. So itong aming event hall was constructed kasi may mga guests kami talaga na gusto dito sila mag-celebrate ng mga birthdays, reunions, company events. This is our swimming pool. Kung makikita nyo, this is very conveniently located between the event hall and the staycation home. This is just 4 feet for the adult and 1.5 to 2 feet for the kids. Narito ang aming open space living room. The living room has the high ceiling para to make the space to feel more wide and open and relaxing. We have large glass doors so that we'll still feel connected outside with nature, even they choose to close the doors. Next to our living room is the dining area with a large table, about 8 seating capacity. We have this table customized by a local manufacturer in the city. Next to the dining area is a kitchen. This is a fully functional kitchen with a rice cooker. We prefer that our guests cook outside. Ayaw kasi namin na dito sila magluluto ng very smelly foods that will make the house smelly too. So we really want the guests to cook on the outside kitchen. Here is our downstairs bedroom. The capacity is 8 persons. We have 3 double beds and 2 single beds. And this is our toilet and bath. So this is really a practical decision na paghiwalayin yung toilet and the bath. Before we go upstairs po the loft bedroom, gusto ko lang special mention ang aming metal staircase. Actually, si husband ay fan talaga ng floating staircase. You can really see the illusion that each of the steps is floating kasi nakatago talaga yung frame niya dito sa mga walls. This is a very safe stairs kasi as you see, there is a railing and all the steps are really embedded on the walls. This is our loft-type bedroom, and it has an ensuite toilet and bath. What is really extraordinary about this loft-type bedroom is its glass wall. Dito, ibang experience eh. While you are resting on the bedroom, you can still see your friends or family members on the living room and on the swimming pool. So, staying in this bedroom is an experience in itself. This room can accommodate 12 persons. The whole vacation home can accommodate 20 persons overnight. But if our guests have more than 20 persons, they can avail our 2 extra cabins at the back. Each cabins can accommodate 6 persons each, so they can add additional 12 persons. So, bakit siya naging Skywoods? Kasi nag-iisa yung apo namin with the nickname na Sky. And then, dahil nga maraming kahoy, kakahuyan, so pinagsama ko na lang, Skywoods Vacation Home. What is really unique about our place is our mini forest. Wala kasi dito na meron talagang mini forest na mararamdaman mo talaga na kahit katanghali ang tapat, relaxing, maririnig mo ang mga ibon, mamaya marami din diyang crickets. Kami dito, we really have a lush greenery. Ang number one problem noon, so yung husband ko talagang meron na siyang design, meron na siya talagang concrete na talaga sa isip niya kung ano yung aming i-build. So the challenge was to find an architect that will put our vision into legal drawings. So, yun yung medyo nahirapan kaming maghanap. An architect that will really accept what we really want, yung gano'n. So finally, nag-volunteer naman yung cousin niya from Manila, an architect. So siya rin yung tumulong kay Arthur, pero mostly si Arthur din talaga ang nag-handle ng construction. Just trust in the Lord, trust in the process, lahat naman masusolusyonan. Kailangan lang talaga makipag-usap ng maayos sa mga constructor and have a little patience talaga. Kasi lahat tayo nagpapakonsan talagang laging inip na inip. But really, patience is a virtue kahit sa anong mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari. Kasi in the end, aayos naman lahat at matatapos din. So yun, talagang patience. Sa mga gusto rin, nag-iisip, mangarap lang at pagbutihing mangarap, maglakas ng loob umpisahan. Kasi yun yung laging problema eh, yung pag-umpisa. Pero kapag naumpisahan mo na yan, dire-diretso na. Basta lagi lang iisipin, bakit ba natin ito ginagawa? Kailangan meron kang purpose, bakit mo ito gustong gawin, gano'n.
Want to share your house and get featured? Email us at stories.onlygood@gmail.com and tell us about your interesting home story. For more videos like this, subscribe to OG and be part of the community.